Willie the Green on the Black Bull. Big Daddy Dinky on the camera.
Now we got some iron on that thing. Willie says, I'll make it pull. We'll bury that thing in iron. You know, it's funny, after pulling for 20 some odd years out here, seeing stuff that I've sold or given away over the years, there's a hitch on the back of here that came off a tractor called the Mountain Goat. Just seems funny to see stuff like that's been around for 15, 18 pulling. Takes on different incarnations of life. Whoa, Willie says, hey there. You better climb out on the HUD, Willie, because you're going to need it. That's right, you're really smart. And I don't know. 86.7.
86.7.
Where do you want it? Up here? Lila says, I don't know, you always do that. At some point, you got to make a decision. So anyway, I was telling you a story that, you know, she started pulling that 20-inch thing over there with fur on it at 8 years old, and the boys said, nope, she can't pull that. She didn't have that kind of experience. And I said, you know, not for nothing, but she's got more experience than anybody here. How do you figure? I said, well, we pull 3 of that, but 21 of that here. Usually we're in the top 3 on